What's up, friends? I'm here today to open a new box that I got full of goodies from my friends at Warren Industries. So I got it yesterday in the mail, but I've been waiting until today that I have some time to open it. So it's killing me to know what's inside. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this baby here. An epic Winch hawk. This is definitely epic. Let's unbox this baby. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this baby. Look at this. This is awesome. This is beautiful. And it's labeled on the box here or marked that is for 1,200 pounds, which is great because my front wing it's 10,000 pounds and the one on the rear is 9.5. So this is definitely more than enough. So this is what I got in the mail today, well yesterday, and I wanted to open it with you guys. I'll try to see if I can add this piece of video to the other one that I already uploaded on my channel for the other accessories, the other gear they sent me. And if not, I'll just make it a quick new one, no big deal. I have more things to put together to unbox, all related to this new project of traveling Tico, but I'll keep you posted in the next couple of days. I'll be making more videos. I'm still editing and downloading all the pictures and videos for my trip between Arizona and Utah last week, and I'm very excited and looking forward to start sharing the real pictures and not just the selfies that I already posted. So thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.